Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a fiber and protein rich overnight oats recipe made without dairy milk or refined sugar. Ideal as a healthy breakfast in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my small cast iron kadai, I'm adding in half cup old fashioned rolled oats. And I'm lightly roasting the old-fashioned rolled oats. I prefer to use old-fashioned rolled oats as it has more fiber. Roasting the oats lightly will help to remove the phytic acid content in oats. Phytates are nutrient inhibitors which may cause digestive issues to some people. Once the oats are lightly roasted, turn off the flame and remove to a plate. Allow the oats to cool down completely. While the oats are cooling down, let's make 1 cup of homemade almond milk. And for that I have already soaked overnight 6 to 7 almonds. Peeling the skin of the overnight soaked almonds. Instead of overnight soaked and peeled almonds, you can use cashew nuts, walnuts or any nut of your choice to make dairy-free milk. You can also use coconut milk instead of almond milk. Any nut milk of your choice is ideal in this recipe. Add the peeled almonds into a small chutney grinder. Measure 1 cup of water and add about 1/4 cup of water into the chutney grinder. Keep aside the rest of the water and I'm going to blend this really well. If you have good quality almond milk at hand, you can use that and skip this process. Okay, now the almonds are nicely blended and I'm adding the rest of the water into the chutney grinder. This way I got 1 cup of fresh almond milk. I'm going to keep this aside. For flavor I'm using 3 cardamoms. I'm lightly crushing the cardamoms. Remove the skin of the cardamoms and grind the cardamom seeds to a fine powder. Freshly ground cardamom powder gives an amazing flavor, so try not to skip this. Into my serving bowl, I'm adding in the roasted old-fashioned rolled oats. Add in the 1 cup of fresh almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds for that extra omega-3s, healthy fats and fiber. For sweetness, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon raisins, 1 tablespoon dried blackberry. I happen to have some blackberry at hand, hence I'm using it. However, this is entirely optional. You can totally omit this and add in extra dry fruits of your choice. Like maybe you can add in 1 tablespoon black raisins instead of blackberry. I got this from Srinagar when my husband visited it last time and it is organic and dried. Add in the freshly ground cardamom powder and give this all a good mix. And allow it to rest overnight or for about 4 to 5 hours. If you are resting it overnight, preferably keep it in the refrigerator. If you are allowing it to sit for about 4 hours, then you can keep it in room temperature. So I'm going to keep it overnight in the refrigerator. And the next day morning, the oats are perfectly soaked. Just before serving, I'm adding some fresh fruits. Today I'm using sliced apples. You can use any fruit of your choice. For an added crunch and flavor, I'm sprinkling in about a teaspoon of raw cacao nibs and some sliced almonds for that extra healthy fats and a subtle crunch. And my super healthy overnight oats is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy overnight oats and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.